Okay, just walked out of the post office. Just got my new Winfield Mission Timer in. Trying to do this with one hand, so please forgive the weird action. Watch roll. Card. Microfiber cloth. Man, this one hand stuff sucks. Man, this is a nice canvas watch roll. So there's NATO. And here's the watch on a leather strap. Man, that's a good looking watch. I don't know if it's been mentioned. I think he says the dial on this watch is DLC coded. Either way, pretty sweet piece. Bezel is really nice and precise. Let's take the crystal plastic off. Looks pretty sweet. Can't wait to beat the hell out of it. Check them out if you get a second, gang.